Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss, the potential dangers of artificial intelligence. AI has been advancing rapidly, and while it offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to understand the potential risks it poses to humanity. In this video, we will explore why AI can be dangerous for humans and the steps we can take to mitigate these risks. So let's dive right in. One of the main concerns surrounding AI is the possibility of unintended consequences. As AI systems become more complex and autonomous, there is a risk that they may develop behaviors or make decisions that we cannot predict or control. As AI algorithms learn and adapt, they can surpass human understanding, potentially leading to unintended actions. This can have severe consequences in various sectors, including finance, healthcare, and even national security. Ethical considerations and autonomous weapons. Ethical considerations surrounding AI are paramount as well. The development and deployment of autonomous weapons systems raise profound moral dilemmas. Giving machines the ability to make life-and-death decisions without human intervention carries immense risks and raises questions about accountability and the erosion of ethical boundaries. It's crucial for us to establish robust ethical frameworks and regulations to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. We must carefully consider the potential implications of AI on privacy, security, and human dignity. Security risks. Security is another critical aspect to consider when it comes to AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may become vulnerable to hacking and manipulation, posing significant threats to individuals, organizations, and even governments. Malicious actors could exploit AI systems for their gain, compromising privacy, stealing sensitive data, or even causing physical harm. Robust security measures and continuous monitoring are vital to protect against such risks. Ensuring safe AI development. While we've discussed the dangers, it's important to note that we can take steps to ensure AI development is safe and beneficial for humans. Collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders is essential to establish regulations and standards that govern AI development. Additionally, investing in research for AI safety and creating mechanisms for public participation can help address concerns and identify potential dangers early on. Job displacement. Another significant concern is the potential impact of AI on the job market. With the rise of automation, many fear that AI-powered machines and robots could replace human workers, leading to widespread unemployment. AI has the capability to perform tasks faster and more efficiently than humans. While this can increase productivity, it can also leave millions without jobs. It's essential for society to prepare for this shift by investing in retraining programs and creating new job opportunities. Lack of human decision-making. Another danger lies in the lack of human decision-making in AI systems. As AI evolves, it becomes increasingly autonomous, making complex judgments and decisions without human intervention. However, this autonomy can lead to unforeseen consequences as AI lacks the moral compass and ethical considerations that humans possess. Imagine if AI were to make critical decisions in fields like healthcare, law enforcement, or even warfare. The potential for profound errors and unintended consequences is undeniable. Data privacy and surveillance. AI heavily relies on the collection and analysis of massive amounts of data. While this data is crucial for training AI models, it also raises serious concerns about privacy and surveillance. With AI's ability to process personal information, track behavior, and predict actions, our lives are becoming increasingly transparent. The potential for misuse and abuse of this data is a significant threat to our privacy rights and personal freedoms. The need for responsible AI. While it's imperative to acknowledge the dangers of AI, it's also crucial to highlight the importance of responsible AI development. By implementing robust regulations, ethical frameworks, and transparency, we can mitigate the risks associated with AI. Encouraging interdisciplinary research, fostering public discussion, and ensuring diverse representation in AI development are essential steps towards a safer and more beneficial future. Ethical dilemmas. AI also raises ethical dilemmas. As AI systems become more advanced, they may face situations where they have to make moral decisions. This raises questions about who should be responsible for the actions of AI and how we can ensure ethical behavior. AI lacks human empathy, making it hard to determine how it should prioritize decisions in morally complex situations. Preventing AI from causing harm necessitates establishing ethical guidelines, accountability, and transparency in AI development and deployment. Lack of emotion and empathy. AI lacks the ability to experience emotions and empathy, which is a fundamental part of being human. While AI can mimic human behavior, it lacks the depth of understanding and compassion that comes naturally to us. This could lead to a loss of human connection and the erosion of our social fabric. Conclusion. As we conclude this video, it's evident that AI, while holding immense potential, also poses risks to humanity. By being aware of these risks and taking proactive measures, we can shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of us. Remember, understanding the potential dangers of AI is crucial, but it should not discourage us from exploring its capabilities. With responsible development and deployment, AI can lead to incredible advancements while ensuring the safety and well-being of humanity. Thank you for watching.